Hey gang, this video will go over all the new notes and markings that show up in our song Chorale and Recessional, and at the end it'll also give you a chance to play along on your instrument. If you'd like to skip to that, check the description below for the timestamp to start playing. If you guys look through the copies of the songs, you'll notice there are two clarinet parts. First clarinet and second clarinet. We're only going to focus and work on the second clarinet part. So let's get that one out and get started. Let's start by looking at our key signature in the very beginning of the song. If you guys look there, you'll see we have one flat in our key signature, and that is our B flat, which for us clarinets is a new note to learn. For the B flat, we start with our thumb and our three fingers on the top hand, just like we would play a C. And then on the bottom hand, we add our first finger for our B flat. This is what it looks like. And this is what it sounds like. Now there are a few times in the song where a natural chime shows up telling us to play our B natural. If you remember, our B natural is our second finger. But since we have that B flat in the key signature, if our B's are not marked, that means they are automatically the first finger for B flat. We have another new note in this song in the second line for us in the very first measure there. That is our C sharp. It looks like our regular C, but we have a sharp sign next to it. Remember, our sharp sign is that number sign. A C sharp, fingering wise, starts like a C with our thumb and our first three fingers down, and then this pinky key right underneath our third hole will go down as well. This is what it looks like, and this is what it sounds like. Now, because of how close this key for our pinky is to other ones, it's really important that we keep our fingers hovering over that and the rest of our keys to get ready to play it when it shows up. And the last new thing that shows up in this song is called a fermata. You can find it at the end of the third line of music. It kind of looks like a curve with a dot above it, and it should be above a half note for all of us. What that means is that note will be held out longer than usual, and usually it'll be up to the director. So Miss Mole and Mr. Bennell will decide how long it is. What I recommend to help you guys remember these new notes is circle them in your music, and if needed, you can write out the note name, what it looks like, and the fingering in the top of your music so you can look up there as a reference. Now, let's go ahead and try playing through the song.